Look down. Look straight down. I want to see where you're sitting.
There's a lady over here. Oh, there's me. Right there.
You ready?
It's my foot. I got a shoes. I'm sexy.
You ready?
Okay.
All right. You sure?
1, 2. What am I gonna hold on? Oh my goodness. Ah! Oh my God. 1. Oh my God. Ah!
Look around.
Oh God. I hope I don't hit that pole. Don't let me hit that pole. Oh my God. Yeah. Oh, my feet. Okay, I'm holding. I'm not holding nowhere.
What did you just do, Mom?
The rail. Oops. Okay, there's the sun. Oh, basketball. Basketball court. I'm going. I'm gonna fall down. Oh! Yes. My goodness, my goodness. Ah! Oh my God. This is scary. Oh, no. Okay, okay. Ah! Grabbing. There's nothing over here. There's other two enjoying. Don't say nothing.
What? What?
There's other two beside me. They're just quiet. Okay, it's going low. Slowly. I'm gonna hit this guy over here. Oh, it's done.
Done already?
Done?
Oh my God.
Take it off.
Was that it? Huh?
Yeah.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Here. It looks like real. It looks.
It does.
How
Huh?
was your experience?
Well, it looks like I'm gonna fall down in there. You see? Yeah,
What'd you
try
think?
it. Huh?
What do you think?
I'm thinking I'm gonna fall down still.